So in this video we'll be looking how to view the PowerShell history. In the Linux we have the bash history, and in that bash history, if we have the read permission and there are actually contents in it, we can view the commands typed by the user. So in those commands, if there is any juicy information like credentials, you can grab those credentials. In Windows we need to view the PowerShell history, right? So you will get the normal command prompt reverse shell. So this is assume that this is the reverse shell, and you need to first view the PowerShell if there is a install or not. Okay, so to do that you need to say PowerShell ps version table. So this will show you all the PowerShell versions supported by the system, and the current PS version is 5. So that means it will support up to 1 2 3 4. So that means there is actually PowerShell installed on this system, and the user may type the PowerShell commands. So to view the PowerShell commands history, so let's say PowerShell get history. So if you hit enter, it will not give any result. Okay, that gives only for the current session of the PowerShell. So what we are going to do is we need to call this method for the get ps read line option. So for this object there is a method called this is actually variable, you can say history save path. So this is the location where it's going to save all the PowerShell commands history to this file. So let's copy this and say type to view the contents. So we got the error, the system cannot find the path specified. That means my system has been formatted recently, like 3 weeks ago, and I never opened the PowerShell. So this is the path: C users arrow my username app data roaming Microsoft Windows. So there is no PowerShell folder. So to create the PowerShell folder, automatically open the PowerShell. So open the PowerShell and say ls. So that is you can see now there is a PowerShell folder, and if you open this you can see there is a ps read line, and in that there is a console host history. So you can see ls here. So let's close this and let's say net users. So there is a arrow user and administrator. Now you can say net user arrow to get more information about arrow. So this is the content. Now if you open this, you will see all the contents of the commands. So after getting this one, so let's run this again and we will get the same path. Copy this and you can view contents in the command prompt. So if you get this option, that means the user did not open PowerShell, or he has deleted this history file. So that's all for this video. This is where one of the important tip to check the PowerShell history to see for any credentials or any other juicy information.